This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Location. Welcome home. Skip the RV/boat fees for this brich ranch-style home offers a large yard and an expended driveway. There is even a storage shed that conveys. Open the doors to an open floor plan perfect for entertaining with tall ceilings and lots of natural light throughout. Downstairs, find the primary bedroom with ensuite, 2 additional guest rooms and another full bathroom, while the 4th bedroom is located over the garage and provides a flex space for an office or media room. Ready for a hot summer? No worries with the newer HVAC that awits. Fire up the barbecue out back while everyone relaxes on the back deck in your private fenced yard. This home has been well cared. A short commute to Richmond down US 460, or a toll-free route to nearby military bases. This home offers location with an easy commute to even historical and commercial shopping districts. For more information, review the details below.